Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. An interesting question for you. Are you still learning CRUD operations in 2026? You are already rejected, my friends. That's right. Only God can help you or I can help you. I'm not selling anything, just giving you honest reality check. So your resume will be burned down. Trust me. If you're still perfecting how to create, read, update, delete, the trap is that AI does all of this work for free in minutes. If your value is just moving data from a form to a database, you're not a developer anymore. You are glorified data entry clerk. High paying firms are rejecting anyone who hasn't evolved beyond basic state management. The market has moved to agentic flows, AI workflows, AI automations. Companies no longer want a dashboard that a human has to manage. They're all self healing pipelines built on AI that can think for itself and heal. If you aren't building logic, you are building a graveyard for your career. We are shifting from building forms to architecting intent. In 2026 economy, a single Python script can automate a decision which is worth more than 50-page React application. So, the $0 value of manual coding. The biggest trap is the senior developer or manager path. That path, my friends, is closed. AI can write 10,000 lines of CRUD boilerplate in 4 seconds. If you are still competing on syntax, you have already lost the game. Recruiters are now using LLM filters to auto-reject any portfolio that looks like a 2022 bootcamp project. We don't write code anymore, we direct it. Your job isn't to type, it is to ensure that the inference stack, which is LangChain plus Grok, is optimized for the enterprise. High RPM advertisers are bidding on AI orchestration. So stop using the language, start being the candidate, and start building an AI authority. From database first to intelligence first. The database first mindset is a career anchor. The trap is to thinking that the storage is the value. It's not. The intelligence sitting on top of the data is the only things client will pay you for. If you can't build a RAG pipeline, you are technically illiterate. Use Pydanite for structured thought and vector DBs for memory. This is the new full stack. Everything else is just legacy maintenance. You can also think of it like a different stack on AI, including vector DBs like ChromaDB or Supabase. All of these are the new full stack that you have to learn. This is your unofficial partner's secret. We don't build apps, we build autonomous business logic. One that can handle the data and the other can handle the revenue. So, kill the coder, become AI agentic architect. The comfort trap is that you feel safe because you know your framework, but your framework is a haunted house on fire. Every day you spend polishing your CRUD is a day you lose to AI architects. This is your rebirth. We are burning the web dev identity. We are picking up the Python lifeboat. No more hello world. We are going straight to LangChain and autonomous agents. Stare at your current project. If an AI can build it in a prompt, delete it. Join my series of AI masterclass where I'll show you how to build real-time AI agents using LangChain here live without any editing. So join me in this particular channel where I'll be showing you hands-on coding of LangChain. I'll make you a master in how to build your own agents and do much more solving real-time business problems. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe to the videos, and I'll be rolling out entire LangChain use cases shortly. Thank you so much.